How to fix Valorant we couldn't install a required dependency. First things first is you'll have to make sure that your Vanguard from Valorant is not currently running while doing these steps. To make sure, just right click on your taskbar, go to Task Manager. From here, look for your Vanguard if it's currently running. If you found one, just right click on it and click End Task. To make sure that it's fully not operating, go to Details and look for your Vanguard. Right click on that and click End Process Tree. Second thing to do is we'll have to uninstall your Vanguard from your Valorant. Now, there's no need for you to worry because once we pull up your Valorant application, Valorant will automatically download Vanguard for you and will also update it. So, the step that we're going to do is go to your Windows search and then type in apps and features. Click on that. Then from here, you just have to scroll all the way down and look for Vanguard. For example, this one, just click on uninstall, and then you'll just have to go through process to completely uninstall Vanguard. Close everything, and don't forget to restart your PC before you relaunch your Valorant. Restart your PC. Once restart is completed, pull up your Valorant file again, and it will automatically download Vanguard for you and will update it itself. So that's how you fix Valorant we couldn't install a required dependency.